so we can see where they come. When it comes, we'll get on it. Okay?
You gotta wave to everyone.
Yeah, you gotta wave.
Choo choo.
Pardon me, folks. Here comes the hot house
Oh, Henry, see the roller coasters. Oh, it's going. It goes the other way, yeah.
There's Jim, Jane, Margaret. There's Bindi, Robert, and Terry too. The first dinosaur we usually see on the floor is a small one with its own eye. Near the screen ahead, we can usually spot a bonbon bouquet eye. Its name, bonbon, translates roughly to crown or dragon.
Look, Henry, what's that?
They lived in ages 154 to 163.
Whoa, another one!
We might also spot dinosaurs 14 million years ago.
Okay, guys, you can see the lunchbox?
Yeah!
Yes, please find the
Oh, look out.
Years ago. Watch out for a family of triceratops, too.
Wow.
It's one around the USA from 66 that lives nearby.
Ooh, right there. Henry,
He has big
what kind of dinosaur is that?
all over his neck.
Stegosaurus? Good job.
In a drive-through burger restaurant. You might even see a Parasaurolophus, too. I mean, one Parasaurolophus.
Henry!
Oh, you want to go in here?
Good job. There you go. I think you got it. Good job, buddy. Uh-oh. If you're a bad boy, you have to stay in there all day. Little Charlotte Patricia eating her pepperonis. Cheese. And we got little Henrietta eating his pizza.
It's hot.
It's hot, I know.
You got my roll.
Oh, yeah? Here we all went on the turtle roll. Henry and Mama went on the turtle ride.
Nope.
Me and you went on the roller coaster.
Yep.
How was the roller coaster?
Good.
Good? Did you have fun? Yeah? Do you want to go back on? No?
Because I ate pizza.
Oh, because you ate pizza, you don't want to go back on? It's probably a smart thing, to be honest with you, but hey.
Sit down.
Do you want to go? Oh, watch out for the other duckies, Henry. You're paying attention, okay? Oh, no. Hey, sit down, buddy. You want to sit back down? Okay. Want Daddy to stay on? All right, we'll go this way.
Let's go that way.
You go that way? Okay.
Look.
There's the pumpkin.
Hey, Dad,
Oh, he's right up there.
How do you get up there, Mr. Goat? Oh, he went down the bridge.
Go down the side.
Slide, yeah.
They kind of smell like Tommy and Nola.
Yeah, they kind of look like Noah, too.
They kind of look like Nola, huh?
Jeez. Like they're playing with the ball. It's like, Daddy, I'm a piggy. Ooh, right there. Maybe. You guys taste good.
What's the other one?
Look at that big old.
Oh, here it comes. Ah! Say bye, Mr. Spider.
The Happy Farm Boy.
It's like, you're not going to trick me, Mama. Let me try first. Hey, Charlotte. 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 If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later.